Wow, this is so cute. Hey everyone, so I'm going to install a headband wig that I got from HerGivenHair. They sent me this a while ago. I never got to finish the review though, so I'm gonna actually do this for today. I'm really excited because I really like how these curls are on this unit. Yeah, so this is how the unit is looking. These are how the curls look. They're really, really soft. I actually kind of already brushed out everything on this hair. I'm gonna actually install this for you guys and show you how to apply it. This is how the hair looks on the inside. It's got a little Velcro strip here in the back. It's also got combs, so it has little straps in the back that you can kind of put together here. I'm gonna just make sure I hook everything on so it's not just like hanging on here. But yeah, this video is sponsored by HerGivenHair. They also sent me a few headbands I'm gonna show you guys, but I'm probably going to end up wearing a specific one. And I'm also going to style the hair and hairstyles for you guys and show you how I would naturally wear this unit. I'm gonna get into the specs after I go ahead and style this unit for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. My neighbors are having a party outside, so I'm sorry if you hear anything. I'm gonna be talking the whole time, so you can't really hear the music outside. But I'm gonna go in right now and style this hair. I wanna make it more defined for the curls. Okay, so I just went in, maybe the tiniest bit of gel in the front or something. I don't want to put too much. Put it all the way throughout the hair and see how this is gonna look. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the hair from the side. And I'm gonna put this on, and then I'm gonna also do my baby hairs and stuff in the front, and we're gonna get into the specs of this unit and also do some different styles. This is so cute. Do you guys see this right now? I might actually wear this to a picnic tomorrow. Wow, this is so cute. Okay, I might like kind of put this maybe a little bit to the side. I honestly take this little brush right here, and I'm gonna take some hair gel. Alright, I'm gonna honestly get into the specs of this hair, and I'm really, really sorry if you guys can still hear music in the background. Okay, so basically this is a curly headband wig, and the texture is 3B to 3C. The hair length is 18 inches, which is really cute, and also the cap size is a size medium, and the hair color is a natural hair color. So honestly, the density, to me, it feels like around maybe 200%. You're getting a lot of hair, you guys, and this hair is just, the quality of it, it's just amazing. It just looks so freaking pretty. I love how the hair also matches kind of my hair texture a little bit. Not to say that my hair is 3B or anything, or even 3C, but for some reason the hair texture really does match this extremely well for me. And the cool thing about this too, it's that it's beginner friendly. It's a ready to go hairstyle. Like, you're able to just put this on and go, and they have a different amount of hair bands that it comes with. A little hair wrap to wrap on your head before you go to bed, after you kind of wrap around your head. It's got like leaves all over it, and you basically just go to sleep with this, and it's just like a nice little like hair wrap. Basically, if your hair is like really long, or like you want to sleep with this on, you literally just like put this over your head like this. It stretches, and then it kind of like goes backwards like that. Went and sent me another hair wrap, which looks like this in the packaging. It's very, very, very colorful, which I think is really cute. And yeah, just the curls are really nice. You guys, just like look at how seamless everything is looking. It's just so cute. I can't wait to honestly take pictures with this. Okay, so the price of this headband wig is going to be $346 even. It is on the pricier side, but I do feel like you are getting what you're paying for as far as it looking very natural on your hair. Like, you're getting a lot of hair with it as well. The curls are really nice. It's really good quality. It's not like shedding. It barely is even shedding, honestly. And I just like ran my fingers through it. What I might end up doing is going into like maybe shaping it. Okay, so I'm gonna actually get into the different hairstyles that I would wear with this HerGivenHair unit. This is what it looks like from the back. Okay, so this is the first hairstyle. I really wanted to show you guys how I would do like 2 strands in the front with it just kind of like down. This is probably how I would normally wear it if I was gonna be going out and everything. I feel like it looks cute, and I might actually do this look for tomorrow or something and go out with this. I feel like this is so cute. It's such a great natural hairstyle. And yeah, honestly, HerGivenHair really did that. Okay, so on to the next hairstyle, you guys. I'm gonna do a half up, half down do. Oh my god, this looks so cute. Okay, so this is how that was really easy. I just literally did the same look, but with the half up, half down do. And I feel like I like this look even more so. I think this looks really, really cute, and I think it just matches what I was kind of going for. I really like this a lot. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. Do like myself with bigger hair. Definitely very 90s for this look. I think this looks adorable. Like, I would wear this out. I feel like I've worn their wigs before, but this is just a whole new level when it comes to just like an easy option for hair. But yeah, this was my review for HerGivenHair. I honestly really do like this wig. I love the company. I love just how everything ends up looking. I'm definitely gonna end up wearing this tomorrow, and I feel like it's gonna be a success because it just looks so cute, and I love how big hair looks on me. Yeah, so if you guys wanna go ahead and purchase this wig, I'm gonna put the link down to this unit down below. Thank you to HerGivenHair for sending me this awesome unit, and I hope that you guys liked it too, and I hope that you guys liked me styling this hair and everything. Yeah guys, that's it for this video. Be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you also like it, and I will see you guys later. Bye.